Now we will start our project, and in Procreate we will develop a mug design, mug wrap design like that. I will explain what I'm talking about first by showing a design on my Etsy shop. So this is a 11-ounce mug sublimation design. As you can see, this design is usually 9 inches in length and 3.5 inches in the height, and this is a full wrap mug design. It will wrap around the mug like this, and you can see the one design will wrap around. This is a right hand side, left hand side of the mug showing the design. And here I have a video which also shows a complete design of the wrap with variations. And finally this wrap can be sublimated on the mug, and this is a detail of the design. And these designs can be sold on Etsy or wherever digital files are sold. And this is my best-selling design right now. So we will today build all these designs are built in Procreate, and you can see this is 9 inches wide and 3.5 inches tall. So I will set up this document today in Procreate, and that will be the lesson for today. So we will start Procreate. We'll go to the gallery. Here I will click on plus, and I will click this icon here, which will give me a dimension size which I can choose. I'll work in inches. I'll choose inches from here, and for the width I will choose 9 inches. Done. And for the height I will choose 3.5, and DPI is always 300 because this will go to printing and it has to print really well. So 300 DPI is perfect. And maximum layer, because this is a terabyte iPad, I have option of using 232 layers. Rest color profile, I'll use display P3, which is RGB color mode, which is fine. And finally background color is allowed, and I will not hide the background. So now I'll hit create. Here you go. This is a full-size mug wrap. Now you can choose your brush. I'll choose a color you like. I will start with blue color and choose any brush. Choose painting. I'll choose wet acrylic. Now whatever design you want, charcoals, maybe change the color, draw some flowers, and decrease the width of the brush, and you can see now you can start working. This I will just hit, and you can choose layer and clear the design and start working on the design you like. So this is how you set up your document for the mug sublimation design. Thank you.